Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be making a winter salad, and I call it a winter salad just because it's winter time and I'm going to be adding a couple of different ingredients than I usually add in the summertime, so I'm calling this a winter time salad. So in my blog post 10 things to do in January, one of the 10 things was to make a winter salad. So I was making that for dinner tonight. I figured I would just share it with you. It's very simple. This is going to be a quick video. I just grilled up some chicken in my grill pan, and this is just a chicken breast that I just added salt, pepper, and garlic in a little bit of olive oil on my grill pan, and I just grilled up the chicken. So I have my romaine lettuce, I have some these are little grape tomatoes, I have a pear, and I have some glazed pecans and some dried cranberries. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my lettuce, slice my tomatoes, slice my pear, and then add the chicken, the cranberries, and the pecans, and I'll show you how it all comes out. I'll lower the camera so you can just kind of watch as I cut everything up. Alright, and here we have these beautiful winter salads. Nice grilled chicken, some pear, some candied pecans, and some, the rest of the salad stuff, some dried cranberries, but they're absolutely gorgeous and they're going to be delicious. And I'm going to use creamy Italian dressing on these salads, but you can use whatever you like. I've had a recipe that called for pears and the cranberries, and it was a poppy seed and balsamic vinaigrette that they mixed together, and it was really, really delicious. I'm not doing that tonight, but you could definitely do something like that or make your own dressing. You could make a honey mustard dressing. Any kind of dressing would really be delicious on these salads. All right, I'm just going to put a little dressing on here. Dressing, and I'm just going to get a piece of pear. I'm going to get some lettuce. All right, so I got some chicken, some pear, and some cranberry on there. Got all the good tastes. Just delicious. So good. All right, guys, that's it for this video today. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you will give this kind of a salad a try and let me know if you like it. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Got all the good tastes. Just delicious.